Justice Njideka Nwosu Iheme of the Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting in Wuse Zone 2 in Abuja on Monday sentenced Peter Nwanchukwu, husband of late gospel singer Osinachi, to death by hanging. Nwanchukwu was found guilty of culpable homicide, resulting in the death of the deceased, his wife, on April 8, 2022. The judge held that the prosecution had proven the burden of proof placed on it by the law and subsequently found the defendant guilty. Nwanchukwu was arraigned on June 3, 2022 by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, OAGF, on behalf of the federal government on a 23-count charge. The charge was on culpable homicide punishable with death, criminal intimidation, cruelty to children, criminal intimidation of children, spousal battery, among others. In the course of the trial, the prosecution called 17 witnesses, including the 2 children of the late Osinachi, who testified as 4th and 5th prosecution witnesses, PW4 and PW5 respectively. The prosecution also tendered 25 documents as exhibits before the court. The defendant testified for the defense and further called 4 other witnesses and tendered 4 exhibits in his defense. Shortly before sentencing, the defendant, counsel Reginald Nwali, in its allocutus, pleaded with the court to be lenient in his judgment. Similarly, the prosecution counsel, Mrs. Aderonke Imala, urged the court to give force to law as stipulated. Justice Nwosu Iheme subsequently sentenced Nwanchukwu to death by hanging on count 1, while he was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment each on counts 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 18. The court sentenced the defendant to 6 months imprisonment on count 10, 3 years imprisonment in count 11, while he was fined the sum of 500,000 naira and 200,000 naira respectively on count 6 and 7 respectively. Reporting this is Whimsical Amy. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.